Now we're going to take a break. We're going to take a break and do an unboxing video, special unboxing section for Random Encounters. And that unboxing, here I've got a package here of I'm not going to turn it around because it has my address on it. But this is a thing that I backed on Kickstarter. Uh, the beginning of the year or late last year, I don't remember exactly when. But it has arrived today. And it is drawing related. So, let's just kind of pull here. Whoa, satisfying sound. As I open the box, turn it this way, because if I do that, then I'm opening it away so you can't see the the address. But come on, open it up, and here we go. Inside, I've got something. Throw that over there. Still wrapped in bubble. What could it be? It's a book. It's a book. And it is the latest book from the Etherington brothers called How to Think When You Draw. And I love these guys. They are online. They're on Facebook, and mostly they're on Instagram, but they're kind of all over the place. You can find, look up Etherington Brothers. And they do this series of stuff that's available for free. They do these How to Think When You Draw. They take a topic each time and do a little lesson on how to do it. These guys are professional illustrators in Europe. And so here's an interesting one on the spine, how it works physically. Get a good breakdown on how it really works, and then some examples of how to use it in your drawing. Very often they will be, I bet this one's a two-part one. Oh, well, they've got a bunch. This is on the pelvis, which is another section of the skeleton, how it works. But they cover all sorts of things. Here's one on shorts, how to make shorts work. Let's flip over here. We got one on ravens. So they do a very, very wide range of topics, and they're all available online for free. Everything that's in this book you can find online. Here's one on jumping vehicles. They've got tips on how to approach it, ways to what you should think about in constructing it, how you can work with it. This stuff is great. Here we go. Boulders. It's a whole page on boulders. So I love the how to, and look up how to think when you draw, or how to think when you draw, and you'll find their stuff. Like I say, all of the lessons are online. They post them for free, at least one a week. I think it might be 2 or 3 a week. And then once a year, they put out a new compilation of them into a book. This is volume 8, and I've got them all. I've been buying these since they put out the first one, and I love them. I love them every year when they come in. This becomes the book that I spend any free time that I'm not reading. Rather than a comic or a novel, I'll be looking at this for the next month or so, just all the different lessons. And one of the interesting things is each volume, when it comes out, comes with it says encyclopedia on it, but what it is an index for all the topics they've covered and where to find them. And it's an index for all of 8 volumes. So I've got versions of this index that cover volumes 1 to 3, and then a version that covers volumes 1 to 4, and now I finally got this for the 7th or 8th time. I've got an index that covers all of it. So look here. you can see that each of the listings names the thing, like, let's see, well, since it's facing I'm trying to read it off my screen because it's now facing away from me. But I bet Shorts is on there. Bet you can see the Shorts entry. And it'll see that it says Volume 8 and the page. So they've got all of the listings on all of the volumes here in the index. This is the brand new index, 6-page index? 1, 2, yeah, 6 pages. It's now up to 6 full pages of entries for how to think when you draw. So I'm super excited about that. After we finish today, I'll probably spend the rest of the evening looking over what's in the new volume. So, there was our unboxing. How to think when you draw. The thing about this is each year they print the new one and they reprint the old ones, but they mostly print to order. Like, they don't carry a big stock of these, and they run out pretty quickly. And then if you want to get them, you've got to back the next Kickstarter or BackerKit. I don't remember who they're using these days, but you got to back their next funding drive if you want to get the book. Because when it's all said and done, they have a very limited supply to sell afterwards, and they sell through very quickly, and then there's nothing left until the next time around. So, but each time, if you want to get one of the old ones, you can order it, and they'll print new ones. They'll print, as I say, print to order, and so you could order all 8, and they'll send them to you. Or you could just get the new one. But there you go. My advice, people who are just learning to draw to experts, I think everyone gets something out of this. All my cartooning friends locally love these. We bring them together and we share them. We talk about them when they come in. So, woohoo! The end. Thank you for tuning in for my unboxing.